Boxing superstar Adrian Broner, 27-0, 22 knockouts, may enter the ring and face Marcos Maidana, 34 wins, 31 by way of knockouts. That is what Broner is saying. Broner was in Los Angeles last night. He came to support. There were fights. Deontay Wilder won in the first round by a huge knockout. But Broner Maidana, this could be one of the biggest fights we're going to see. Of course, we already have Mayweather Canelo, September 14. Also, Lucas Matisse, Danny Garcia on that card. Then you have October 12, Juan Manuel Marquez, Tim Bradley. Then October 19, Provodnikov against Mike Alvarado. Then Rios Pacquiao, November 24th in China. And if this fight happens, Adrian Broner, Marcos Maidana, it will be fireworks. Someone's going to get knocked out. Of course, Maidana, he has all the power. Broner, he has power, he has skills. It's going to be one of those fights that you won't want to miss. It may even be pay-per-view. Stay tuned, we'll have more on this. Broner is very, very confident. He says that he would he said that he would F up Maidana if they fought. He told that to all the media members yesterday. I'm sure I'm going to catch up with Marcos, hear what he has to say about that. But one thing is for sure, if this fight goes down, it's one you should not miss. Stay tuned. For ESNewsReporting.com, I'm Elie Seckbach reporting, and you can follow me on Twitter, @Seckbach.